course summary, and where to go next, certifications, career paths. Congratulations on completing the course. You've gained a strong foundation in virtualization, mastering everything from setting up virtual machines to advanced cloud computing concepts. Now let's recap what you've learned and explore the next steps in your virtualization journey. What we covered in this course. We started with the basics, understanding virtualization, setting up virtual machines, and configuring hypervisors like VirtualBox, VMware, and Hyper-V. We then moved on to advanced topics such as networking, automation, performance optimization, cloud virtual machines, and even ethical hacking and penetration testing using VMs. Certifications to boost your virtualization career. To validate your skills and advance in your career, consider earning certifications like CompTIA Cloud, a great starting point for cloud and virtualization concepts. VMware Certified Professional, recognized globally for expertise in VMware technologies. Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator, ideal for those working with Azure virtual machines. AWS Certified Solutions Architect, covers cloud-based VM deployment and management. Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect, best for mastering Google Cloud Compute Engine. Career paths in virtualization and cloud computing. With virtualization skills, you can explore careers in cloud engineering and architecture, designing scalable cloud solutions with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Systems administration, managing virtualized environments and enterprise IT. Cybersecurity and ethical hacking, using VMs for security testing and penetration testing. DevOps and automation, implementing CI/CD pipelines with cloud-based virtual machines. What's next? Keep learning and experimenting. The world of virtualization is constantly evolving. Keep refining your skills by experimenting with different hypervisors, setting up home labs, and working on cloud-based projects. Engage with online communities, join forums, and follow industry trends to stay ahead. Final thoughts. Your virtualization journey continues. This course has given you the tools to confidently work with virtual machines in different environments. Whether you're aiming for certifications, diving deeper into cloud computing, or pursuing a career in IT, virtualization will be a valuable skill in your journey. Keep learning, stay curious, and take your next big step in the world of technology. Thank you for being part of this learning experience, and best of luck with your future in virtualization and cloud computing.